What's up, YouTube? Kicks With Kam. Got another unboxing and review. Stay tuned. So today I got a package in the mail and I'm finna do an unboxing. But if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and slam dunk the like button. And check out all my old videos and stay tuned. So let's go ahead and get to the unboxing. All right. This is just my receipt from Snkr supplies. Okay. Now here go the main. This bad boy open. Ooh, that Bape Nate circle mat. Let's get an up close and personal view of it. So it's a camo Bape print on the circle mat. So I guess I'll be doing like my shoes on here and stuff like that. Guys, check out some shoes on it, stuff like that. Put a pair on here so you guys check it out. Nice mat. Good material. Back and forth. All right. I like checking out new companies and stuff that do with shoes and stuff like that. So I'm gonna give these guys a try. I didn't see that many reviews online, so I'm gonna pick up this product and give you guys a view of it. They ship all the way from UK, United Kingdoms. It didn't take that long to get here, about a week. And the products weren't that high. They gave me a discount code. I'm gonna pick up some more. I got like the them. Please remove your sneakers, stuff like that. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, subscribe. It helps the channel out. And I want to thank everybody for helping me get to 100 subscribers. I'm on the road to 1,000 subscribers. So stay tuned. And like that, I'm out. Yeet, yeet.